Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So before we kick off, I'm looking for a potential property lawyer, South African property lawyer. If there's one in my audience, I really wouldn't mind having a chat to you. If you wouldn't mind reaching out, if you understand the South African property law, looking for a little bit of advice from somebody. Anyway, let's get on to the DAX. So we had a pretty strong green bar, which closed above the previous highs, and remember we're on the futures market here, so this all happened after the DAX actually closed, and this is all based on the FOMC, not minutes, but the statement that came out. So the Feds have told the world that they're not raising interest rates just yet, but they will commence their bond retapering, in other words, purchasing or selling off some of their assets that they've purchased. So that's kind of the American scene, but I think if you look at the DAX at the moment, that's now 4 days in a row which we've been bullish. So that's a fairly strong trend. We now have the crossover, the moving averages as well, and we also have a close above, a daily close that is, above 16,044, which was the previous high. So for me, this is bubbling at the moment. It's really looking interesting, and if you look at the 3 hour, you see this week has been sideways, then nice little move. Could be an exhaustion bar to the top here. Okay, so we haven't actually had a daily close. We've closed near it. That little bar there I don't think is valid. Nope, it's not valid. Okay, so correction, we haven't closed above 16,044. We've closed just below it, and that was at 16,029. So I would suspect anything back into this area here of 15,970 should be an opportunity for buying, and your stop is going to be below the swing low of yesterday, so below 15,920. That's a structure we have, so I would be on the 15-minute for this as well, because the higher time frames are a little bit tired. So you're looking for decent pullbacks onto structure, and then from there looking for an opportunity to buy. And this here will be, if we do get back down there, your stop is going to be below the range of yesterday, so that's a 58 point stop loss, and you're looking for the all-time high, so it's of 16,044. So that's pretty much a 70 points, so just a little bit better than a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Not too shabby. I think I'm keen for that. It does look fairly positive based on what the Fed said yesterday. So anyway, that's kind of the structure that I can see at the moment. So 15-minute chart it is. Wait for the pullback. I'm not interested in shorting. It would be against the trend, because you could find support at any one of these tails here. Or you could just go sideways and then bump your head, come down, bump your head, come down, and then start breaking through. So be warned, I wouldn't be looking for shorts here. Look for the pullback, buy, keep your stop as tight as you possibly can, and if it's back to the range, it'll be bottom of the range. The other thing that you need to bear in mind is that was the move up, range, break. So where does that take me? It takes me to there, and that is 16,100. Now that's the measured move. So first area will cap your gain to 16,044, and then second area would be 16,100 or 16,107. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.